Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B Investing in BI, and we have another Indigo protocol video. In this video, we're going to be looking at a few posts. I want to learn how to use the protocol. I want to look at different strategies, test and see what works, maybe come up with my own if I'm smart enough. But what we have here are tools that the community is building. So this guy here in the Discord, hey there, a small calculator that allows you to calculate your liquidation price or the needed amount of collateral to buy a certain amount of IUSD at a specific collateral ratio. Would love some feedback. And then of course he has the link there. And then also this post here is very interesting. I'll probably cover it in its own video. Actually, I believe I will. It is a strategy for making money on the protocol. I want to take a look at that, maybe see if it's something that we want to investigate and maybe perform ourselves to see what type of results we get. But let's take a look at this tool first. I'm going to go ahead and jump over here to Chrome. All right, and we have the calculator up. It looks like it is connected to this gentleman's website. So yeah, I mean, as long as his website is up, it looks like this will work. Maybe he can provide us with a, I don't know, some code or a way to run it locally even, maybe down the line or something, or maybe just integrate this into maybe a spreadsheet of some sort. So let's take a look. For example, I just threw some stuff in there, 250 IUSD at 1500 ADA. At this price, you would be liquidated. You would, of course, at 109, you'd be liquidated 1.99%. You could calculate, let's say, to refresh. So that's the price of ADA. It said if you, let's see what he says you can do with this thing. He says you can calculate your liquidation price or the needed amount of collateral to buy a certain amount of IUSD at a specific collateralized ratio. So you need a collateralized ratio. Let's say we said we wanted to be at 150. I think we have to put the percent in there. We wanted to be at 150%. So it wants an amount of ADA. So, all right, let's say we're willing to part with 500 ADA. We want our collateralized position to be at 150% at the current price. You would calculate and you would be able to get 81 IUSD with that 500 ADA, and you would be at the 150% CDP. Liquidation price calculation allows you to calculate at what price you would get liquidated. So you could set your stop losses and other things like that. And that gives you at 18 cent, you would be at the 18.25. You would be at the liquidation point. You would lose your collateral. You would keep the money. So very interesting. You would think in between that point, you'd be generating fees, etc. But that's very, very interesting. I wonder, you should probably, if there was a strategy to deposit that into the IUSD pool to pull INDY rewards, if you could calculate fees. I feel like if you provided this for maybe spreadsheets, you could probably create a pretty good Indigo protocol spreadsheet for different strategies. I think that would be cool. Maybe something we could talk about. Maybe something feedback we could give. But for right now, this is just a preview, kind of I plan on actually utilizing this as we move forward. So I'll probably do a full review on it and if it's useful moving forward. Looks like he has Donate Bitcoin, Donate Cardano on his website. If you wanted to donate to him or her, you can do that. So just wanted to take a look at the tool that one of the members of the community had created. And then in the next video, I'll probably take a look at this post here and dive deep. It looks like it's 22 posts, pretty heavy stuff here. So yeah, we'll just we'll go from there. So make sure you hit that like, hit the share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.